Live. We're going live. We're live. Hey, good morning. It's about 7:57 a.m. here on the 5 a.m. Mester Scrum Show. Just taking it all in. This is our 572nd episode. Late night. I did an episode last night to make sure we got it up for St. Patty's Day because I still got the little lucky St. Patrick coin. And today, I wanted to talk about definition ready and how I'm going to build an agenda, and I'm going to do it live for how I'm going to teach those discussions or facilitate those discussions later today and tomorrow with a couple of my teams. And I just want to, I'm going to create it how I kind of want to do it right here live on TV, right on YouTube. We're not on TV, we're on YouTube. Different. Well, I hope you're all doing well. I'm Greg Mester, Scrum Master and Agile Coach, and this is the 5 a.m. Mester Scrum Show. A little late today. Did a little walking with the dogs earlier this morning, and but we're here to talk about Scrum and Agile in a practical and tactical way, so you can get so you can deliver value to the customer. 2, not work crazy hours. 3, get home to family and friends because you're not working those crazy hours anymore, and have a little fun along the way, both at work and at home. So this is going to be a short one and a quick one because I got another meeting that's starting very shortly, and I have to prepare for my other meeting and how I want to do this. So here's my thought, and as matured itself over time, over the past week, 2 weeks, be honest with you, a couple weeks. So I got to do a team norms conversation. I got to do a definition ready and a definition done conversation. And the various conversations, how I wanted to do it. Part of it, I want to kind of use what we use, the techniques in our IC Agile class, where set it up, design it in such a way that teams create what their norms are. And then what I'm going to do is share what norms are across the enterprise and some other norms that other people have. But yesterday I was chatting, we were doing a coaching circle, and I got mentored. It was good. It was a good conversation. And I'll have to talk about how that worked later on, but I'm definitely random. Anyway, so in the conversations, she talked about how she likes to do the journey profile. And then a light clicked off in my head. Well, I'm going to use that when I do the definition of ready and the definition of done. So here's the idea. I'm going to go on a whiteboard. Can be anyone, Mural, Murray, whatever ones are out there. There's a lot of them out there. Could be Microsoft Whiteboard. I don't know. Could be, I think, Webex even has a whiteboard. I don't know. Zoom has a whiteboard, right? So the idea would be, I'd create a little box on the whiteboard, and then everybody can draw their little stickies, and they put their little things, and they put their little titles. So let's say this is definition ready. So they're going to talk about the definition ready. So we're doing a definition already. Definition of ready. So I want to build a giant whiteboard that has this. So we're going to do a thing where they all go in, they put their little stickies on. I'm not going to pre-make the stickies because we're not going for craziness. So we're going to spend some time on this. We're going to put some stickies over here, hidden away. I'm going to have all these enterprise-wide. And that was my original thing, right? Statements. So they were going to have all these enterprise-wide ones, and they can pick one and say, hey, I like this one, and they can bring it into their definition done. And that was my original plan. However, I thought about it. Why not do a journey map, right? So now I'm going to do something different. I'm going to do a journey map. But I'm going to do it different. And in a journey map, you kind of tell where you've been through your journey, where you're at. What I was thinking, so a journey map, right? You got this little journey map, right? It's a little squiggly line. And maybe here, somewhere around here, at the bottom, is a definition ready for a newbie. A noob? They call them noobs, right? Noobs. Noob. For a noob. in the team world, right? And then maybe, you know, a a team that's done it a while would be here. So this level would probably be about a 4-month team or a 6-month, 4 to 6 month team, right? Because everybody's getting it. Everybody's kind of getting what they want to do. They do what they normally do. They're getting the documents they normally do and everything like that. However, maybe up here is the high performing team. Right? Maybe up there they have like return on investments, ROI. Maybe this is like ROI information. So if I'm doing definition ready, definition done is really neat because definition done, maybe I'll do another show and I'll do definition done. So this would be ROI. This is just have all the fields filled out, right? So this is nothing. They got hardly anything and they're always waiting. So these people are always waiting. Right? Maybe this one has the high performance has focus group data, maybe. I don't know. Extra stuff that you don't usually get in the DOR. This one might have dependencies. You know, so in this 4-month team, they'll have their dependencies in the definition ready. They'll have all their data, right? So that'll be in there. And what my thought was, I would have them before I fill in what these would be. Say, okay, everybody, just dot on the thing where you think you are as a team right now from a definition ready, and then go through this definition ready, right? Where they, or maybe because they might. I've been curious. So maybe they're going to dot themselves up here when they do it the first time. This will be the first time, right? And then what I'm going to have them do, I have a green pen too. Then what I'm going to have them do is I'm going to go through the definition ready, and now I'm going to have them dot. So maybe they're going to be here. I don't know. I don't know where they're going to be. Maybe this is the second time after this activity. So maybe the next time they'll be lower down. I don't know. It'll be interesting. So my thought was a journey map. I really think this will really go well with definition and done this activity. So I will sketch out how I want to do it, and then I'll draw it up on a whiteboard ahead of time, and I won't do it live on them, but I'll do it ahead of time, draw it, lay out the board, and I'll give them instructions on how to do it, right? I think the definition done will be interesting because the high-performing teams all have automated tests and all that kind of stuff running every day, and the code and how often they drop, and so I'm going to give them a vision. Well, we'll do that in another episode. So I got to go. I got to go do another meeting and join in. So I just want to say thank you all. Have a great day. If you like the show, ring the bell, give us a little thumbs up, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take care.